ITM was established in the year 1991. So it's about 30 years in the education arena. And it belongs to a large group called the ITM Group of Institutions, which has forayed into almost all streams of education. We have two universities, one at Vadodara and the other one at Raipur. We also have forayed into health science, hotel management, design school. So name the stream and there we are. We have three PGDM schools, one at Chennai, the other one at Warangal, and of course, the one which I am heading, which is at Navi Mumbai. The school was, of course, established by Dr. P.V. Ramana, a great visionary, and we began with the business school. We have international business where the students get an opportunity to move to ESCA and EM Normandy in Europe and get to study for almost 3 months. Also get a chance to go to the different countries in Europe. We also have tied up with Nanyang Technological and NUS for our retail management as well as HR program, and also for ITM Business School Chennai. For these three, we take the students for almost 10 days to Singapore, and they do the business analytics as well as the design thinking courses at the prestigious NTU. So at ITM Kharghar, we have about 10 specializations. Each of these specializations, again, I would say is very special because they all align to the needs of the industry. In the area of marketing, or if a student has, certain marketing strengths, we would suggest them to opt for marketing specialization, digital marketing and transformation, or even retail management and marketing, where we have a retail lab on campus. And for the digital marketing, we have a digital lab on campus. For finance acumen students, we guide them towards fintech, which is the latest, a combination of finance and technology. We also have finance specialization and financial market specialization, where we have a trading and simulation lab, wherein we have Cogencies as a software that we use to give them live feeds from NSE, BSE, and so on. We also have international business. We have supply chain and operations, business analytics. So this sums up about 10 specializations that we have on campus. The PGDM program at ITM Kharghar is called the PGDM iConnect program, and the I holds a lot of importance here. The I stands for individual connect, which means every student for us is very precious. Every student is listened to, we counsel them, we give them a lot of importance, and also we look at the innate strengths that these students possess and align them to the specializations that we offer. The second I that the PGDM iConnect stands for is the industry connect. We are highly connected with the industry also because of our 30 years of existence, and also the kind of alumni strength out there, who are ready to help us for placements, for guest lectures, for mentoring, for live projects, and name them, and they are here on campus to give us the largest support. So when we talk about industrial connect, we are also talking about the 5 months of industry internship. Again, we stand very unique in this aspect because we believe that the 5 months industry internship is what actually gives the students an understanding of corporate culture, the nuances of how an organization operates, and also for them to match their learning in the classroom to align it to corporate world. So I would say that's the best that we have brought into our curriculum, the 5 months industry internship, which has also enabled many of our students to grab a pre-placement offer. Close to 15 to 20% of our students get a pre-placement offer from companies. I, of course, stands for insight. So when I talk about insight, I'm talking about also those, the kind of domain knowledge development, the kind of development which is needed for them to face the corporate world, that is the corporate transition module, where we have a team called the Tailwind team, which is an army of trainers who work tirelessly on every student mentoring them to develop the acumen that is needed for, the industrial life that the student is going to lead after his PGDM program. For ITM Business School, since the students are from across all streams, we begin with a foundation course. This foundation is for about 2 weeks. And during these 2 weeks, we bring them at the same platform, at the same level, so that every student is able to interact with one another. And we also have added on certain fun activities for them to, engage with. After the 2 weeks begins the first semester, where they have all the business functions. We touch upon all the business functions in the first semester. The student gets an idea about which specialization that he needs to opt for in case he would want to change his specialization. And in the second semester, we move to the actual specialization part. Now, even during specialization, we have certain specializations where we allow the students to do their live project. That is, we have the students working with the corporate for 3 days and 3 days on campus. That's the best live learning that they have, a blend of both corporate as well as classroom learning. And in between the first semester and the second semester, we have an NGO internship. So last year, we had almost 75,000 hours of NGO internship or social enterprise or social work that the students had put in, which is absolutely commendable. And the same happens every year because we have, put it into our curriculum. I must also mention about the lifestyle management, which we have in the curriculum, which enables the students to sharpen his personality. So we have yoga, meditation. We teach them how to rejuvenate themselves through heartfulness meditation. So we try and kind of bring in a holistic development for the student. In the third semester, again, the student, after he finishes his 5 months of industry internship, he's back on campus. And by the time the third semester begins, we have companies on campus. I must mention here that we had Deloitte, which picked up around 31 students this year. And this has been a record for us, and I think maybe for Deloitte also, wherein a part of them were picked up during internship and the other part were picked up during the placements. I think all this can happen only if you are able to focus on the overall development of the students and not just focus on classroom learning. So there's a lot of experiential learning which we put the students through in these 2 years that they are with us. So the PGDM program has NBA accreditation at Navi Mumbai, and we are also AICTE approved. At the same time, this year we are looking at NIRF. Of course, we also have the AIU equivalence, which again makes us a very prominent business school. And what's more important for me to mention here is that the whole curriculum is industry aligned. Being AICTE accredited, we also have the opportunity to be an autonomous institution which can decide on the curriculum which is best suited for the industry, which is best suited for students to become great corporate leaders. The PGDM program at ITM Kharghar is called the PGDM iConnect program. And the I holds a lot of importance here. The I stands for individual connect, which means every student for us is very precious. Every student is listened to, we counsel them, we give them a lot of importance. And also we look at the innate strengths that these students possess and align them to the specializations that we offer. The second I that the PGDM iConnect stands for is the industry connect. We are highly connected with the industry also because of our 30 years of existence. And also the kind of alumni strength out there, who are ready to help us for placements, for guest lectures, for mentoring, for live projects, and name them, and they are here on campus to give us the largest support. So when we talk about industrial connect, we are also talking about the 5 months of industry internship. Again, we stand very unique in this aspect because we believe that the 5 months industry internship is what actually gives the students an understanding of corporate culture, the nuances of how an organization operates, and also for them to match their learning in the classroom to align it to corporate world. So I would say that's the best that we have brought into our curriculum, the 5 months industry internship, which has also enabled many of our students to grab a pre-placement offer. Close to 15 to 20% of our students get a pre-placement offer from companies. I, of course, stands for insight. So when I talk about insight, I'm talking about also those, the kind of domain knowledge development, the kind of development which is needed for them to face the corporate world, that is the corporate transition module, where we have a team called the Tailwind team, which is an army of trainers who work tirelessly on every student, mentoring them to develop the acumen that is needed for the industrial life that the student is going to lead after his PGDM program. I must mention here that we are very fortunate to have students from across the country who would want to be part of ITM Business School Kharghar. We scale from Kashmir to Kanyakumari to get our students, because that's what creates the culture of diversity in the campus. Any student who joins the corporate would have teammates from different culture, and that's something that we want to create in the campus itself. So there's an experiential learning that we give the students. So we call ourselves the University of Diversity. At the same time, if you look at our hostel again creates the best atmosphere for the students, the best learning environment for the students. The hostel can accommodate close to 500 students, the boys and the girls hostel together. And the hostel has 24/7 medical facilities. We are connected to a hospital. At the same time, we have in-house doctors. We also have, the gym facility where the students can work out and take care of their health. We have indoor and outdoor games. We have the best of infrastructure that we provide to the students in the hostel, in terms of students who would want to opt for, say, AC rooms can go for them, or the students would want to, go for a non-AC. So accordingly, the student can opt depending upon his, financial circumstance as well. The hostel also provides them 4 meals, right from the breakfast, lunch to evening snacks to dinner. It has a girls warden as well as a male warden. So it's in a very protective atmosphere that the students, who come from different parts of the country can live in, the hostel in a very, very safe surrounding. We have students, of course, the male population is more than the female population. Over the years, it has improved, but I would still want it to improve further. So we have about 41% females, and the rest of them are part of the male population. If you have to look at the geographical locations from where the students come, I would say from Mumbai or the vicinity, we have around 30% and about 70% from outside. The number of engineers definitely has come down in comparison to what it used to be in the earlier times. We have less number of engineers, but we have students from across different streams, including, a mass media student or a hotel management student or an art student. So students from across all streams. And that also, I think, is a very healthy combination for a management school. So last year, we touched about 98% placement. And the highest package that we had got was Landmark, which offered 22 lakhs. It was an international placements. The average comes to around 8.5 lakhs. Again, it differs from specialization to specialization. So I'm just talking about the highest average that works for us. The companies that come on campus are from across all sectors. So if I have to talk about FMCG, we have Asian Paints, Berger Paints, we have Nestle, ITC, HUL, Imami, and so on. If I have to talk about banks, we have HDFC Bank, which takes in the maximum number of students. Last year, we had about 55 of them. And this year too, we are looking at a very large number because we have already got about 204 of them who have cleared the aptitude test. So amongst banks, we have almost all the banks, including Federal Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak, and all of them who come on campus. Again, we are the favorites of BFSI sector, right from L&T Finance to all those who are part of the BFSI sector would want to pick up students from us. From the consulting space, we have Deloitte, we have TCS, we have Credence Analytics, Morningstar, and so on. So what I intend to say is we have always been able to bring in companies from across all sectors. One, because of our credibility, the long-standing, in the education arena of almost 30 years. And also because we have our own alums who come to support us. We have our alums placed in very senior roles like, presidents and CEOs and CXOs of organizations, which makes it very easy for us to connect to these companies. If I have to talk about the number of companies that we are connected to, as a group, it will be more than 600. As ITM Business School, Kharghar itself, it would be more than 300 companies. See, ITM Business School is known for the kind of industry connect that it has. You are creating students who can be employable, and think that's very important, which every student has to consider. Understanding whether the school where he's going to study is going to provide him the best of learning and the best of employability or the best of corporate knowledge. I think that's where we stand as a B school, a school which can give the student all the three: knowledge, attitude, skill, which is essential for the corporate. We also have the entrepreneurship cell, where we would love to build job creators rather than job seekers. And we have been great at that because we have had an incubation cell where we have been able to, allow students to express their ideas. And our own capstone project is a very fine example of, students converting their ideas into their own businesses.